Kia ora, Nathan Mooney here, Property Brokers, Palmerston North. Welcome to 23 Eyre Road. This fantastic 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom property has a lot to offer. We've got a fantastic location. We're 10 minutes from Palmerston that way, 2 minutes from Linton this way, and this place is sitting just on over an acre of awesome adventures to be had. I wish I was an 8-year-old again so I can go and have a play around. Actually, let's use a bit of Mooney magic.
Oh, I'm 8 again. There's lots to explore. This is a beautiful place. That's enough from me, and let's go through and have a look.
Life is good, yeah. Yeah, in my darkest times, you got me feeling like I've been walking on air. Left all my worries and cares. I've got nobody.
Whoa.
I don't care who knows I love you.
Oh, I better go back to my older self.
As you can see, this place has a lot to offer. Give me a call or come to my next open home. Nathan Mooney, Property Brokers, Palmerston North. Was that fun?
Yeah,
Was it really?
yeah.
It was good fun doing it, eh? Did you like working with Dad?